Hello students, good morning students. For NEET and mains students, today I will explaining you one important concept from structure of atom. It is a very important concept for both NEET as well as mains students. Most of the students in the structure of atom facing one difficulty understanding the concept of electromagnetic radiation area. Why that electromagnetic radiation concept actually included in the structure of atom. I will give the explanation here. Every student, without skipping this video, please watch until whole video, please. So electromagnetic radiation, before going to this electromagnetic radiation, you know that in the structure of atom, different atomic models are there. J.J. Thomson model, Rutherford model. So what is the drawback of the Rutherford model in that model actually? The drawback, I am directly going to the drawback, not explaining the Rutherford model. The drawback of the Rutherford model is it does not explain the stability of the atom. That is the major drawback. It does not explain the stability of the atom. That means it does not explain the energy of the electron, how without losing energy the electron is revolving around the nucleus. That point is not explained by Rutherford model. Electron, you know that electron is a charged particle. Nucleus have charge, that is positive charge. If electron is revolving around the nucleus continuously, maybe centrifugal force or centrifugal petal force are possible because of it is a charged particle. But without, if it is losing energy, continuously revolving and losing energy, falls into the nucleus. But it is not happening. Why it is not happening? The charged particle is, it is possible. That point is not explained by Rutherford. That is the main drawback. This drawback is explained by Bohr by using the concept of electromagnetic radiation. Bohr overcome this drawback by using the electromagnetic radiation. You know that already electromagnetic radiation. In the electromagnetic radiation, different radiations are present. Gamma rays, X-rays, UV, visible, IR. So this electromagnetic radiation is nothing but light. Nature we are studying here, light nature. So light basically have two types of nature. One is wave nature, another one is particle nature. Wave nature of the light is explained by three concepts. What are those? Vibyar, interference and diffraction. Particle nature of light is explained by two concepts, that is photoelectric effect and black body radiation. By using these two concepts, Bohr gave his explanation about on stability of the atom, that is Bohr model of atom. This drawback is overcome by Bohr by using these two concepts. That is the main point why the electromagnetic radiation is existing in the structure of atom. Okay na students? Now I will explain. Now look at students, wave nature of light. So wave nature of light, how many types? Three types are there. Vibyar concept, interference and diffraction. Vibyar best example is the rainbow. Rainbow when we are observing the rainy time. In the rainbow, you know that already. This point is very important. Listen carefully. In the rainbow, we are observing on sky this part. This part we are observing. We are noticing this part. So all the colors in the rainbow, all the 7 colors from the Vibyar existing and merging to each other at the same temperature or not? Yes, as a same temperature. That means at room temperature. The rainbow we are observing at room temperature now on sky. So the rainbow we are observing this part, but we are not observing this part. Rainbow is the continuous wave. Observed here. It is a continuous wave. All the colors are merging to each other. Remember this point. At same temperature we are observing, all the colors are merging to each other. All colors are appears at same temperature. So here, this is the wave of the rainbow. It is a continuous wave, continuously existing. That is Vibyar nature, rainbow nature. So this property indicates that a light has wave nature. Light has wave nature. We are observing only this part. It is a continuous wave. So this is one part. What is the interference? For example, two waves are present. Both the waves are nature is same. This is wave A. This is wave B. Both look like same. Both are merging to each other. The resulting wave amplitude, what happens here? This is the amplitude intensity. Amplitude is increases. If the two waves are matching to each other, resulting wave amplitude is increases. That is constructive interference. Here interference is two types: constructive interference and destructive interference. What is constructive interference? Two similar waves combined, resulting wavelength, that means intensity, increases. The two different waves are merging to each other, resulting wave intensity, wave amplitude is decreases. If the amplitude is, this is the amplitude is decreases, that is destructive interference. So this property indicates that light has wave nature. Next, diffraction. What is the meaning of the diffraction? Here suppose the slits are present here. To the slits, narrow gap is present, small gap is present. Light is traveling. After traveling the light, observed here, after traveling through the narrow gap, the light is look like bending. This bending nature tells that light has wave nature. It is look like a wave, na? So bending of waves from narrow gap is known as diffraction. The meaning of the diffraction, simple meaning. So all these 3 points indicates that light is travels in the form of wave. That means inside the light particles are present. That particles are traveling in the form of wave. Remember. So Vibgyor is a continuous spectrum. All the colors are appears at same temperature. Remember this point. This point I am connecting to the Bohr model postulates stability of the atom.